Pass. This is the start of it for me. This is where it's beautiful. I'm going to get going because there hasn't been a car past for a while. Been messing about, taking photos. So coming up for Wrynose Pass, straight on to Knott Pass, then into Cockermouth for some breakfast. Stayed in Overston last night. Came over the Yorkshire Dales yesterday. Different, very nice route. Well happy. Clear the old cobwebs from your brain. Nice edgy road. This, love it. Oh God. Anybody's been to lakes but not done Wrynose and Knott, just do it, man, honestly. If you're in a car, what's a clutch? Go early, like me, nothing on the roads. Look at this, couple hours time, packed with camper vans and tourist buses, you're screwed. You don't get this feeling. Stop at the top and get me drone out. Not too far away from it. The first part of Wrynose, coming from Ambleside, just going through a little bit of a couple of villages and things. I think it's Eskdale's absolutely stunning. I've done a bit of footage of that, put that on separate. This is all about Knott, Wrynose, for me anyway. Sort of there, like a little lay-by just up here, decent to put the bike, and I can go for a little walk out the way of everybody. I'll find my drone, get some nice photos, not bothering anybody, keep it high enough not to disturb the cattle. Of course there's somebody there, of course there is. Normally where I stop. Shall I go on? I don't know. Go on, just ride. Just ride. Okay. Oh, even better. See? Move on to the next one. Look at that. See what the view's like. I'm just gonna ride through the mud because you can. To the jungle. Oh, look at it, man. Mamma mia. So I've had this bike just about 4 or 5 weeks now, maybe a little bit more. Getting some fair bit of miles on it. Just taking a bit to get used to still, some things. Shaft driven, no chain, that's nice. Wasn't my favourite job in the world, cleaning a bike chain and tightening it up and stuff. So that's gone. Oh, I'm pulling in, getting it drawn up. 100%. Sorry people. It's too bloody pretty, man. Look at that valley shot. Oh!